Hi, how's everyone doing? It's a beautiful day here at the warehouse, and I just wanted to shoot a quick little video here just to encourage you to play with the American Paint Company products. And the more you play with them, the more confidence you get in them, and therapy at the same time. So I'm not saying you need to go and find a dresser and you need to find a big project. It can be something as simple as painting paint sticks. You can paint them one color and then you can seal them with clear wax and dark wax and put them by your stand, just something new to have at your display stand. So I remember when I was first introduced to the products and I was playing around with them, and my cousin, she actually introduced them to me, and she was sitting a couple feet away from me, and I remember just saying, like this, is this okay? Am I doing it right? And so even though the products are really like user-friendly, just the more that you play with them, the more confidence you will get, and it will show even to your clients. And have fun while you're at it. Let me know what kind of pieces you paint. I'd love to see pictures of them. You can send them to me through email or on Facebook. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.